Question number 1. The diagram shows two identical squares. The fact that they put the word identical in bold means that that's going to be coming into play later on in the question. A is the point 10, 10. What are the coordinates of B and C? Well, let's go to the only point we've been given, which is A. Drop a line down and drop a line across. Now, we know that it's 10, 10, so that's 10 along the corridor and 10 up the stairs. So if you go to the very corner, 0, 0, and go 10 along the corridor, that tells you that this arrow is pointing to 10, and 10 up the stairs, it tells you that that is pointing to 10 as well. So B is level with 10. Now, what we need to do is think about the fact that these are identical squares. So obviously, the side of each square is worth 10, which means this square is worth 10 as well. So if we look at B first of all, point B, if you start at 0, is nothing along, so that's 0 along, and we're going to go straight up to 10, which is what this is level with. B is level with 10, so that's going to be 0, 10. As for point C, we need to go up another 10. Well, if you go up another 10, if you're already on 10 and you go up another 10, that's going to take you to 20. So it's going along the bottom is 0, this level is on 10, and this level is on 20. 0, 10, 20. We're going up in tens because each side of the square is worth 10. And that now will help you get point C. So point C, if you drop a line down to the bottom, is level with 10 along the bottom. So it's 10 along the bottom, and up the side, it is level with 20. So that one is going to be 10, 20. And there's your two answers. It's all about labelling as many numbers as you can along the bottom and as many numbers up the side as you can. And that will give you your clues as to what your answers are.